description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And I've got a, noodle show that I'm doing right now. What do we got? We got this Kang and it's an artificial beef pickled cabbage. And it hails from China. It's been a while since I've had any of this style instant, and I think it'll be pretty good. So you drop it into 550 mils of water. Damn. Come on. You gotta put in the vegetable. And you get to watch. Look at that. Wow. Isn't it been a while since you got to like just sit and watch? No, because I come out with so many episodes of this show that you don't have to like sit and wait around. Oh, but I don't want you to boil over. I think the powder goes in now. I'm pretty sure. It can. Because then there's a goo, and then there's the other stuff. So we will ensconce, enthrall in food. But yeah, it's crazy. It's June 18th, 2025, and there's some pretty crazy business going on right now. We got God, what do you call it? Bombs and junk? Shouldn't do that. I frown upon the bombs and junk. My sister sent me a video message the other night of some audio of my brother talking. It's like, hear that? Boom. Hear that? That's another one. They blew it out of the sky. Hear that? And you could hear the sirens. My brother lives in Jerusalem. That sounds like not a great place to be living right now. Usually I talk to him in the evening his time, but I'm pretty sure they're having a real hard time getting any sleep over in Israel right now when they keep dropping stuff. I don't know. Personally, I think they should just all knock it off. Really. That's my... And I think the U.S. should, like, really back up a little bit. Oh. No more blowing up. It's rude and unnecessary blowing things up. Speaking of, it was Father's Day the other day. My wife got me some Hank Williams albums. 78s. Yeah. Not ones I'd heard before, but boy, that guy can sing a real sad tune. Let me tell you. But always good. I've never been somebody who could say, oh, he likes country music. I don't know. I look at country music more like, I don't know. There's a certain mood to it, and it doesn't seem like, I guess it's country. I mean, he wears a cowboy hat and all that. But it's pretty mopey, sad, but really good. I don't know why. I really like it. I could listen to it all day. And it's fun, too, because the kids know how to flip the record and crank up the Victrola. So it's like, can I do it now? Pop, can I do it? And then they get this total, like, oh. They get, like, okay, if I do this wrong, he's probably very good chance he'll yell at me if I get rough with this thing. So they're just like, I've seen my son take his lap or his Chromebook. It's like, okay, it's time for bed. You got to put it down. He's like, oh man, and he like practically slams it down in the spot where it goes. I'm like, whoa, you're gonna kill that thing with the Victrola, with like winding it and everything. Oh my god, it's like they handle it like so like almost more gentle than is necessary, which is great. I mean, I'm not complaining. I don't think there's going to be a lot of times where that's the thing that's going on. So it has a liquid, a powder, and a veg, and then it's got this, and this is, here, I'll let you see it as it comes out of the packaging. This is pickled cabbage. A lot of the time they would call this artificial beef with sauerkraut. I think that's what Unif calls the export version. On the review of this, for the title, it's going to say United States, because this is made for the US. It's probably identical to the product that's sold in China, although they might have versions that come with not only pickled cabbage, but maybe a sausage, maybe a stewed egg. But the reason on my posts I'll say that it's made for the US. See this? Those are US. That's totally required for the US. Also, all this text, all English. I mean, there's not even any real inkling. Not only that, it does say product of China, but it has the US East Core imported by, US West Coast imported by. For the West Coast, it's imported by Wei Long, and Wei Long is 99 Ranch. They have their own distribution, which is like pretty big. But it's a product of China, but Wei Long, 99 Ranch is I think they're Taiwan. I don't know. Either way, it works. But this was sent by Project Ramen. I want to thank them again for that. The smell of the pickled cabbage, it's got like this tang to it. Not my favorite noodle, but the noodle's good. Actually, it's better than I remember it. It's got a, it's nice. And plentiful. And there is the broth. As you can see, it's got an oiliness aspect. It's got a pickled cabbage. Wow, and it's getting windy outside. Surprised the power hasn't flickered. That I like. Now, if I had what I'd like to have to make this, I would next be putting in Chinese sausage. I don't have any Chinese sausage. I haven't made it over there. Plus, I can't afford it. If you want to help out the old Ramen Raider, your favorite ramen reviewer, me, there are avenues for that. And if you don't, that's fine too. But yeah. Let's do it completely perfectly aligned, rotated, and we will make it so. All right. Now, if I were going to make this for my personal consumption, not just for reviewing, I would definitely use a lot less water. This calls for 550. I'd use less water, mainly because I want it to be stronger. It's pretty strong. I'm not going to say this is bland by any stretch of the imagination, but I would want it stronger. We're gonna go with some chashu, even though this is supposed to be beef flavor, but I don't have that. You could add an egg to it. I don't know. I don't have egg. I mean, I do have egg, but I didn't make any egg. Cha-cha. And wow, that smells really good with that. That way. I'm gonna use some. I'll use some scallion now. Then I will use some chili crisp. I haven't really done a lot with chili crisp recently, and it's like it's about time. There's some chili crisp. I do like seeds. And I kind of want to use some of my chili thread, but I don't think that really goes here. It would have on the last one, but not on this one. Wow, breezy. Rotato, do your stuff. Alright, well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is going to be the last of these lemonillo varieties. This is their chicken chow mein, chicka. And I thought I'd reviewed it. I hadn't. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.